This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Debbie Yankey. Built in 1950, perfectly and lovingly renewed in 2021. The licensed contractor completely rebuilt this home, leaving the exterior brick and fieldstone covering. Now a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home with over 3,087 square feet. Features include a new kitchen with quartz countertops, and stainless appliances including induction cooktop range with air fryer, 3 HVAC units, new roofing structure, new walls, doors, ceilings, and floors. 75% original hardwoods were restored, 2 hardwood staircases, 2 gas fireplaces, new Pella aluminum clad double hung windows and doors, new plumbing and electrical, tankless hot water heater with recirculating pump, and all closets have custom shelving. Owner's suite is on the main level and features large windows and a luxurious, see more. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Yankey at 865-966-1111.